their hand off their win. So, okay, everyone. Oh, Kayla. Wait, Kayla, you have to put your hand on there. It's last to take your... Okay. Are you confident that you are going to win? Are you confident that you are going to win?
Yeah.
Do you think that you are going to win?
Yeah.
Okay, I will let you sit there for a while. So guys, I don't really know about any of them winning. I think they're just all, lose one challenge. Okay, I think I already got the first challenge ready. I just gotta give them a minute to get used to everything. There's Easter eggs in those baskets. Where's the basket that doesn't have Easter eggs in it? Where could it be? Fine, bro. I'm just gonna make this. Oh no! Never mind. Never mind the never mind. We're just gonna be using a hat. Now, you might be thinking, what is this hat for? So, what they're gonna have to do is, I'm gonna be holding the hat, and they're gonna have to try to make it into the hat. I don't know if they'll be able to do it, but I'm not gonna show them the challenge. I'll just put on this hat on top of my own hat to make it not suspicious at all. Okay. And I'm gonna make sure they have no idea what the first challenge will be. Okay, do you guys have any idea what the first challenge is gonna be?
No.
Okay, do you want to do it now, or do you want me to give you guys a bit more time?
Do it now.
Okay, I actually put on a decoy hat. What you guys have to do is make the ball into the hat. Who wants to go first?
Me. Not me. I do.
Okay, you can go first. Okay. Try to make it in. Wait, no, I gotta. Okay. Try to make it in. You get 3 tries.
All right. Okay. I get 2 more tries.
Yeah.
Move, Ella.
Ella, get out of the way. Okay, you have 1 more try. Okay, we're gonna see if anyone else will make it in.
All right. Let's see if I can.
Okay, it's Connor's turn.
Let me see it. Let me see the ball. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it hit it.
No, it has to stay in. Okay, you have 1 more try. Okay, now it's Ella's turn.
How is it this hard to make it in? I made it in.
No, you didn't.
I made it in.
No, you didn't. Ella, it's your turn. It's your turn, Ella. Yeah, Ella, if you make it in, they both lose. But if you don't, then they're in and you're in. So you get to choose if they're in or not.
How much tries do I get?
You have to try to. You get 3 tries.
Okay. That's my first try. That's my
Okay.
first try.
Time for your second try.
But we're out.
Okay, now if you make this, they're both out. But if you miss this, they're not both out. Okay, so you guys are all in for the first challenge. No, you guys all went. Guys, that was not how I expected it to go, but that was literally just a prank. Yup. That ain't the real bucket. You know how I said there's no Easter buckets? There is Easter buckets. I lied to you guys. You really thought you had to shoot it into a hat? No, you have to shoot it into a real bucket. Who wants to go first?
Me. then.
Well, she went first last time, so now it's Connor's turn. Okay, let's see if Connor can make it
Got my
in.
dog.
Wait, did you take your hand off the dirt bike?
No, my back is.
No, but Connor. What about Connor? Okay. Okay, you get one more try, and then you're eliminated.
What? For real?
As long as you can touch the dirt bike, you can go as close as you want.
So your last try. Yay!
No. Okay. Once
My
again.
turn. My turn. She
Okay.
went first last time.
Let's see if it makes it any difference if Ella goes.
Okay. Can I get the ball?
Yep. Okay, your second try.
Can you not? Okay, that's my last try. Here you go, cameraman. Okay, give me my ball.
Okay, Ella.
My turn. I so good.
Okay, if Kayla doesn't make this, then I'll also get a different ball.
I'm beautiful. I'll take you. Beautiful things that I got.
She almost made it. I can make it easily. Oh.
What?
Okay, last try.
That hard, cameraman.
Okay, it's on me again.
My butt.
Back to the challenge making station. We got the bucket, but we don't got the ball. What ball to use? Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Red ball. Okay, let's see if I can make it. Oh yeah, one more thing. We need a weight to weigh it down. Wait, do we need a weight if we're using these tiny balls? Let's see. Probably not. So we're just gonna... Okay, guys. We fixed even more mistakes. So, it's a tiny ball and it's even closer.
I'll go first.
Now
I'll
let's
go on a go.
Miss. Yeah!
One more try. I go first. No, one more try.
No, you already made it in. Connor also does.
I made it in first try.
Now it's time for Ella.
She's not touching the bike. Caleb wasn't.
Yeah, but that's because she had to go get the ball.
Yeah. Okay, Kayla, could you move?
Okay.
No, I gotta go.
She gets 2 more tries before her fate. Okay, you guys, all past that. I'm gonna get an even harder try.
Oh, you know what that is.
We're getting something. Now that that kind of challenge is done, we're gonna go to a different challenge making station. This is gonna be inside.
guys doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing? If I see you throw that, I'm not going to let you take any more water out.
Okay.
Don't throw it.
I'm petting the dog.
Bruh.
We gotta flip the water bottle over. Lorenzo, Kayla's out.
I'm sorry to say this, Kayla, but you're out. I gave you too much chances, like in the last challenge, but like this isn't even a challenge. You just went out.
Yeah, Kayla, you have to go.
You have to go, Kayla. You can just like be over there and watch the game or go somewhere else, but you are out.
She has to stay.
Yeah, she can stay right
she
there.
can go on the sidewalk or something.
Yeah, but she can't be in the challenge.
Yeah, Kayla, you heard him.
This is gonna be trivia.
Should we ignore her?
If you get a question wrong, you are out. Starting with Connor. Okay, the question is, how much subscribers do I have? It's a very good number. Like it's a high number.
What number is it in?
It has a 1 at the beginning.
1,000.
You spoiled it.
100.
No, 1,000.
What? Okay, well.
Okay, that doesn't count because Ella like literally gave you the answer.
Okay, so give me a different guess.
Okay. What? Okay. Is this a normal bike or an electric bike?
A normal bike.
Correct. Now for your question, Ella. Does your dirt bike still work? No, how fast does your dirt bike go?
How do I supposed to know?
Okay, what number was Daddy saying I went on your dirt bike?
I don't remember.
Okay, does your dirt bike even still work? Does it still work?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't
Do you have to wear gear to ride a dirt bike?
Yeah. I don't want to play. Obviously.
Yeah, you're out. Okay.
Yes.
Ella, does the gear have elbow pads and knee pads for the main part?
Mm-hmm. Are we doing a water bottle flip? Or what are we doing? What are you doing?
You lost. So just pretend that it's on your head.
How did I? What was the answer again? What was it again? Yeah. Elbow pads and knee pads are very. You have to wear that on dirt bike.
What? Right there. I guess you win because you're the last one touching the dirt bike.